Let me shed some light on something that's often misunderstood. If we're talking about a cultural shift today, we have to remember that it's not about motivating your team. It's about connecting with purpose. What does that mean? That means that you're creating a space for each member of your team to be in alignment with your organization's goals, vision, and mission. How do we get there? Let's talk about that.
I was just blown away by the topic and the way he delivered it and the impact that I could feel in everyone in the whole room.
If you may indulge me for just a moment, look around at the people around you and acknowledge the humanity in them and just say, I see you.
I have developed a principle that equips you and the members of your team with the tools to connect with purpose, creating that cultural shift. What I call a culture of us. And I started to realize that if I have other people around me, success can start to come if I'm around other people that have success, which is my S word, not success, but support. A culture of us has 3 steps: working with passion, communicating with clarity, and leading with intention. Working with passion means reaching down and discovering who you are. Because out of that, that's how we find the passion in which to work. When you figure out what you're passionate about, then you can start to align your own passions with the company's mission and values. Communicating with clarity. This is where we reach in and do the work so that we can become better communicators ourselves, which means asking powerful questions, deep listening, creating a supportive space. Now that communication becomes much more efficient. This reduces conflict and confusion, and it increases connection and clarity. Leading with intention. Whether you have the title of a leader or not, you are more influential than you think you are. This is where we explore the science of influence and we understand the power of our actions and our words, even small, simple things that we can do every day that can actually create better connection and exercise more influence over not just within your organization, but in your personal life and beyond. With these 3 steps, whether you're looking for a keynote, a workshop, or coaching, or any combination thereof, we will craft together an experience curated just for you and the people in your organization. When you get this right, you will increase productivity. You will increase retention. You will increase overall workplace happiness. You'll create that cultural shift, the culture of belonging. What kind of impact can we make in real life when we just take a minute and hold space for other people? When we take that minute and say, you know what? I'm gonna make somebody smile today. And I'm gonna not be mad at that coworker. I'm gonna actually hold space for them and see where they're coming from and seek understanding. And understand when you talk to that client or when you talk to that partner that what you're doing is affecting and causing a ripple effect. We never rise to the level of our expectations, but fall to the level of our training. So let's work together so your training can match your expectations.